back to Kerala. We are at day 5. Started our journey from Thekadi to Alleppey at 11 o'clock. Thekadi is about 155 km from Alleppey and about 4 hours journey. The experience of traveling from hills to the backwater was amazing. Houseboats in Kerala were traditionally cargo boats that carried rice, spices, and other commodities, which were now transformed into luxury boats complete with bedrooms, kitchen, living area, bathrooms, and other amenities. Today, this allowed travelers to enjoy the breathtaking beauty of Alleppey while gliding along its backwaters. Exploring the tranquil backwaters of Alleppey on a houseboat is an experience of lifetime. We reached Alleppey by 3 p.m. and after having lunch, we headed towards the fish market and brought tiger prawns for dinner. Come, I'll show you the room inside. Okay, so there is this double bed for 2 people. Then there is the we have fan, we have light, we have wardrobe there. We have a full length mirror. You can get ready. Then we have a very huge washroom. I'm not going to show you that. And the best part, okay, maybe now you will not able to see the water. There's a huge window over here so that you can chill inside and see the boat outside. I do not know if you're able to see or not, but there is a boat there that side, and we are here now for our ships are parked over here for the night. We'll be staying here only, but inside the boat, and it is like amazing. And I see there are thunders. Okay, so it is going to be raining now, but it's going to be awesome. It's worth the money. I'll tell you. Here is my mom taking over the chef and preparing amazing prawn curry for us. Meanwhile, we got to experience huge storm followed by lightning and thunders, which was quite scary.
Early the next morning.
Next
morning, we got up really early by 6 o'clock to experience the beautiful sunrise. I'm out of words to explain this beauty of nature.